In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zillow account password. We've all been there. You try to log into your account and suddenly the password you're sure you remember just doesn't work. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process of resetting it quickly and easily. First things first, head over to Zillow's Forgot Password page. You can easily find this by doing a quick web search for Zillow Forgot Password, or you might find it on Zillow's login page just under the password entry field, usually labeled as Forgot Password. Clicking this will direct you to the page where we'll start the password recovery process. Once there, you'll see a field where you need to enter the email address associated with your Zillow account. It's important to use the exact email you used when you originally signed up for Zillow. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors that could lead to not receiving the reset email. Take a moment to double-check, just to be sure everything's correct. After entering your email, Zillow will send a reset link to your inbox. This might take a couple of minutes, so if it doesn't show up right away, be patient. In some cases, emails might end up in your spam or junk folder, so it's a good idea to check there if you don't see it in your primary inbox. We've all experienced delays when it comes to receiving emails, so no need to panic. Now, let's move on to the email you received. Open it up and look out for a link they provide to reset your password. Click on this link, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. It's very straightforward from here. You'll be prompted to enter a new password, and then you'll need to confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong, mixing upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help keep your account secure. You'll have to enter it twice to confirm that you haven't accidentally mistyped it. Once your new password is set and you've saved it, take a moment to write it down or use a password manager to store it safely. After all, you don't want to go through the hassle of resetting it every time you log in. Now, go back to the Zillow login page, enter your email, and then use your new password to log in. You should be all set now. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it helped you successfully reset your Zillow account password. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out through our help page. Have a great day and happy house hunting.